Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Amex Secure Fix step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official American Express website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the Login button. This button is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your user ID and password. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check that both entries are correct to avoid errors. If you wish to stay logged in on your device, check the Remember User ID box. After confirming your information, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your American Express account. In case you forget your user ID or password, click on the Forgot User ID or Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your login information. Once you have successfully logged in, you can access your account features. If you encounter any issues, consider clearing your browser cache or trying a different browser. Ensure your internet connection is stable for a smooth login experience. Always log out once you finish to secure your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.